about our recent property inspection of Margaritaville, Rivera Maya, which is the adults only property here in Cancun. It's absolutely beautiful, and you and your clients will like it. Over here at Margaritaville, Resort, have a balcony. Okay, nice bed. This is the bathroom area. And then plenty of closet space. And your espresso. And you got a refrigerator. Oh, a mini. I think it's a mini bar in there, but it's full of water for right now. And you got something for your limes. All right. Shakers. Look at this. It's so cute. It's a boat with some edible. I think everything is edible. I'm going to find out. But this is so cute. Thank you, Margaritaville. You guys are so thoughtful. And this here is a sneak peek at one of the suites. It is set up a little bit differently than your regular rooms. So let's go. All right, we got a balcony. I like the little chair that's out there. A nice little sitting area. Got your little bar station there. Same thing as the other room with this one right here. And this bathroom. This bathroom is so cute. I can't get over it. Okay, so they have a few restaurants on property. So this was the Italian restaurant. They have a steakhouse, and there's other ones that you can actually make reservations for. But the dinner that we had here at this Italian restaurant, it was like family style, and it was amazing. And this is just a quick glimpse of the JWB Steakhouse there. And so this is breakfast, just a sneak peek at, some of the things that you'll get for breakfast. And then later on, I'll probably be showing you guys some of the dinner side. We had like a Caribbean night, but it was really good. Breakfast was good. Tomatoes, potatoes, mushrooms, my favorite, beans, waffles, hola. Oatmeal. Thank you. Hola. Pork rind. Dol. I can't even pronounce it. Pork. Quesadilla. Chicken.
Everybody there?
No, not everybody. Just a few people. Mixed vegetables. Bell peppers, refried beans, grilled zucchini. This looks really good. Have a sausage, chorizo, hash browns. You got your boiled eggs. What is this? Eggs? Oh, scrambled eggs. Oh, they have a cook station. I want this.
Yeah, I want my eggs dead.
Yes. And they have a cook station.
Ladies, selling peppers?
So that is breakfast. Had breakfast over at Boathouse, and we actually had dinner over at Boathouse again, and the theme was Caribbean night, and they had a band towards the end, but the food was really delicious. It was really delicious. I like the seafood soup. The salmon was pretty good. I'm pescatarian, so I didn't get a chance to taste the beef and the pork and stuff because I don't eat it, but all of the food that I taste was delicious. And so their buffet style is a little bit different. So it is buffet style, but it may seem like they don't have a lot of food there. They actually have tons of food in the back. They do things a little bit differently where they bring out smaller portions of it so that, of course, you can cut down on the ways. And then, the food can stay, hot. And then when that's done, then they'll continually bring out something else. And this was Caribbean night. Okay, so let's continue on with the property. Look at this view, you guys. This is such a beautiful view. They have a ton of swimming pools, a ton of swim up bars. It's just amazing here. Gotta see if they have availability, but so the spa was absolutely beautiful. This is just a small part of it. We actually got a chance to get a spa. And so in the back they have all sorts of like hydrotherapy and stuff like that. And but no cameras and stuff were allowed back there. But that was nice. That was really nice, the hydrotherapy part. Y'all, when y'all are there on any Margaritaville property in Cancun, y'all try the floating tacos. This is a whole experience. Listen, it was delicious. So they had like a pork and beef and chicken boat, and then they had like a seafood boat. So I was over at the seafood boat, but it was everything. It really was. Y'all gotta try it. So that was your quick glimpse of Margaritaville Riviera Maya, the adults only property here in Cancun. This is a absolutely amazing property, and if I'm doing an adults only experience, I'm definitely gonna be coming back here. No kids are allowed, like literally no kids, no kids. It's adults only. When you arrive here, they do give you your Margaritaville popsicle, which is alcohol. There's like so many different added in amenities of being here, but I will absolutely stay here again, and I will send my clients here. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this property, simply put them in the comments and let me know. And if you guys are enjoying my content, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And until our very next video, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.